Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily, and in today's video I will be creating two cards featuring the new Mermaid Mermaid mini album die set from Diva. I love this die set. I think it's so much fun, and I wanted to create a really striking card by using some sort of holographic cardstock for the fishtail itself. And then we have these funny looking pieces that probably are going to look like fish shells, I think. So that was my take on it anyway. And I'm just taking some as a scrap piece of paper to have as a backing of this, and then you can decorate this further on when you're putting this on a card base later on. And yeah, you can see I'm just looking to the back of this, and then I can adjust it as I would like to have it, and then use my scissors just to cut away around it from the back and front, just to match that shape that we are having. And then I can take the leftover piece and use it again, and if it's too small I need to take a bigger piece. So I cut this quite a lot, as you can see on screen here, with my pattern papers, and I'm offsetting them against my previous put down layer. So you can see here that I'm just cutting around, going ahead and attaching this to my little bottom of my fish here. And I just like how this turned out. I think it's quite a nice project. It's a nice size for a card, definitely a good size for a mini album if you like to create it into that. You could have your spine to the top of this. I think that would be really nice. Our last finishing layer here, and we can go ahead and cut away the leftover or the exit part, and then it's pretty much done. For embellishment parts, I decided to go ahead and create with the Mermaid bow set, also a new product from Diva in May. So you can see I cut it out of the same holographic cardstock and the same pink cardstock as I used for the top part here, so everything would mix and match. I had some problem with the liquid glue. Probably would have been better if I used a hot glue instead of this wet glue, but I will make it work in a second here. They also released these really cute starfish shakers, but I used them flat for my project today. I cut them out of some pattern papers, and they really made my project, I think, so cute. And I love the little bubbles that also comes in this set. You can also see that I cut some sentiments out of the same holographic cardstock and Mermaid, and you can also see the little fish tail. It's also in holographic cardstock and also comes from this set. Super sweet. I just love how that card turned out. For my second card, I just cut the same shape one more time, but you can see I cut it out of this pattern paper that has sort of already the built-in pattern. And now I can take my bow to this one, and also I wanted to create a dangle from this one since it was more of an easy card. Here you can see I'm just having a circle loop that I put around my bow, and now I can find a perfect place for my little dangle to hang from this bow, using my tweezers to make it close again. And then I can take some foam to the back of this and really make this fit on top of this. And I also took one of those die cut pieces and made that as a part of the dangle to be hanging from the bow. You can see I cut some more starfish to the top of this, and we will have our sentiment to the lower part of this card. So Sea Mermaid were the sentiment for these ones, and that pretty much finished off our card. For embellishment, I will also take some enamel dots from my stash and one more of those fish tails to just tuck underneath our bow, and that will probably finish off my cards for today. So here you go. You can put these on card bases, and they will be super sweet card that could easily stand up if you make the crease to the top of your fishtail. So happy how these turned out, and I hope you were inspired to create some cards in with these. You can definitely also turn this into beautiful mini albums and have these as the front part. Thank you so much, and I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and also a 10% off discount if you use my code. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!